guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're gonna be vlogging.
We're chefing it up.
We're chefing up. Here, wait.
Oh, so cute.
Alright, let's start.
Oh.
Get a good luck muffin for her.
Ew.
Yes, a muffin.
Sniff my muffin.
I also have those chips
I'm
in the
gonna
fruit.
wash my hands.
Wait, chips.
Is this the right stuff?
The Boulder Canyon chips.
Oh,
And the one she got the other day.
Is it? Wait.
We're building.
Is that who's got it back there?
Oh, it's my brother. It's from Thursday. I told him to show it.
Wait. What did you do? Wait.
Oh wait, that's that, I think.
No, it was not.
Here, I told him, I was like, hey, I have Tessa and Riley coming over, and he's like, oh, okay, I won't bother y'all.
How do we dye this?
You diet. But first we gotta make the cake.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
It's gonna be like
making funfetti cake.
Yeah, we are actually.
Okay,
it's just getting
so
bold.
You wore this hoodie.
Yeah, why
preheat oven to 350. Coat cooking spray or shortening in a flour duster. Absolutely not.
Wait,
Okay,
do we
so-
not know what it means?
So we actually are lost.
Hold up.
Where's the fruit?
Wait,
I see green.
yes, get it.
Wait, is this the fruit bowl?
No, it's back here.
Oh, I was like, wait, I
I'm
don't see it.
gonna need one of them.
This is
Really?
snack break. Went to the store yesterday, and that's why I texted you. I said, do you guys want anything on like specific?
Just that.
So-
Yeah, if anything, all right.
I'm gonna try these grapes. Oh, this one's. Ew! What are you chewing?
Let me try watermelon.
Wait, I don't
She needs
know
help
which
in
one do
alternative.
I use.
You need help? Wait, what do you not want? Oh.
It was strong.
Wait, guys, what do I use?
She was a fairy.
What do I use?
All you see is her head.
Cake.
Oh, to mix everything?
Right.
No, to like make the pan, like to put it in the pan to go on it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Wait,
They weren't moving.
how big does it say?
I don't know, that's the problem.
13 by 9?
Oh, read this.
Inches.
13 by 9.
Wait, do it over the same.
Am I doing both or just the
Wait,
one?
no, stop.
Why do you have toothpaste in
Okay,
here?
sorry.
Oh, that is not toothpaste. Sorry.
Just do the one for now.
Okay.
I was like,
Can
what?
we edit this video and make transitions?
Now we're gonna get bacon.
2, 1, go.
You just went the opposite way.
I think so.
No, we're gonna bake.
So,
Okay,
I think
cake
she forgot.
mix, water, oil,
Disgusting.
eggs.
Okay, so we're gonna ignore this terrible still shot of us. I kind of clipped y'all. So we're baking this cake for one of our teachers. This is actually how we became really good friends because we were all in the same class period. She's one of our favorite teachers and she's just been through so much this school year. So we decided to make a cake for her, and then also because it was Teacher Appreciation Week, and also so we could apologize for talking so much in her class.
Well, because it was like months ago. It was like February.
But we talk about it every once in a while.
Every day.
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, because we always talk about food and then somehow it gets brought up. And we're like,
Okay, wait,
What are we
stop.
bringing?
Actually, I think my God, I think a lot. I'm sorry.
I'm trying not to like burst the bag open so then it like flies out everywhere. That hole's not big enough. No.
And me and Riley eat while you cook. Good idea.
Nice work, pal.
Need a cup of water. Oh, sorry.
And this cake will never get done if we keep doing what we're doing.
Liquids, you
Oh,
want
yeah.
glass.
You're supposed to use this glass for liquid and not like
I never
a
listened.
cup. Why?
Yeah.
Know that.
You guys didn't know that?
No.
I didn't really know it.
You guys gotta leave it to the chef.
The chef, you're eating.
If we don't get extra credit, I swear, I'm gonna have a talk with her.
Oh.
I'm gonna be like, you knew my
If I don't get an A
parents.
this year, then I'll flip out.
If she doesn't give you like 1,000% on your next test.
Right. I'm always at school. I haven't missed 5 days.
Whoa! Do you know what you're measuring?
Yes, half cup.
Okay.
She doesn't oil won't hurt nobody. Actually, yes, it will.
Yeah, that will.
Like,
Yeah, CDs.
food stuff.
Mmm.
Oh, I just got my hand all on that.
If you were wondering,
Buy one, get one free.
photo.
Buy one, get one. And then sometimes it's either buy one.
Oh, yeah.
What?
That makes me mad.
I want to
What?
decorate.
You should have done it in the measuring cup and mixed it first and then poured it in.
No, it's fine.
And can I stir it?
Hey guys, it's been 14 minutes.
Real quick.
14 minutes of us eating. Well, me.
Yeah,
Well,
you.
of them
Not
eating.
me. Not me. I don't eat.
No, it's okay. I ate my snacks before y'all got here.
Oh, so you ate without
Well, I
us.
had like my chips and guac.
Really?
Yeah, my little chip's been gone.
Is it gone now?
Oh, that's a
It
good
was really
plan.
good. On the one day.
I got it done.
Okay, guys, this is the cake.
Alright. No, we have to. We have to have some of this.
What? Our video!
Okay, so wait, when am I stopping?
Alright, I'll tell you when. But make sure you like go in a line so it like evens
this?
out. Yeah.
Look, this smells really good. I wish we didn't have like egg in it or something because I'd eat this raw.
I'm still gonna have a little taste. Go in that corner a little bit.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Okay. No good. No good. No good. No good. Oh no! You're gonna make it.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Explode.
No, it's not gonna explode. We
Pop
still have
top.
extra though, but it's not like enough.
Yeah, it's not.
Do you think? Wait, I want to see how many cupcakes in
See,
there.
I did.
Where's the pan? Wait, if I pan the side of this, will it stick or not?
No, but just use these.
But I only have two. Banana.
Chicken. Banana.
Wait, what's the next like?
Banana. My mom was doing this.
Is it rising to We're making cupcakes with the rest of them.
Rise the eye.
Maybe.
Okay.
You never know.
Do you want to do this or do you want me to?
This is a
I just
Caitlin
touched
job.
Kitty.
It's been like an hour and a half. What it feels like, probably.
For real, it does feel like a long time.
The cake's done.
Perfect.
Is it really like clean
Look at
now?
that. Yeah, it's actually good. That obviously happens.
Better be fluffy.
Wait. Here you go.
Gorgeous,
This
you know.
has some good taste in cake because she said funfetti's her favorite.
Did she?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason why we got it.
That's why we.
Wait, no.
Wait,
I'm ready to blend.
wait.
This is my job.
We have to put a little bit in the thingy. Like a little bit of the food coloring in the thingy.
The purple.
Yeah. Just put like a tiny, tiny bit at a time.
Wait, hopefully this doesn't.
Because you don't want it to be super purple.
I know. I wanted
yeah,
to
we
be
do.
a light purple.
No, we
I
don't.
wanted a light purple.
Go.
Oh, it's perfect.
Yay!
Heck yeah, boy. Come on. Get her in there.
How the freak?
It just came out of the oven.
No, it's not hot.
Oh, wait.
This is actually the perfect color. Oh my goodness.
Guys, I think we have a problem.
What'd you do?
Oh. Uh-oh.
You know what this means? This is ours. Might as well cut it in half at this point.
Yes.
Maybe we'll give her 2 pieces.
Oh no.
Keep going, bro.
Is it like
Tessa
raw
just
in
wants
the
more
middle?
cake.
Are you kidding?
Wait. Okay. Okay. Move the bone. Yeah. Oh no.
There you go. I want to stack that.
No, I'm sure. We can each get 3 slices, bro. All right, move that to the side.
Wait, I just got a raw piece.
Oh no.
Are you kidding?
Look. It's raw.
Guys, it's raw!
Ew!
No,
This
it's
isn't
fine.
raw.
It's fine. It's
Wait.
fine. It's fine.
No,
bro.
it's not.
Let me frost this bad boy up. You better not save me the middle.
You got all of this. You just didn't get that.
We're giving her this.
Okay.
Look at the size. She didn't even get it.
Oh, she's gonna.
How do we write?
I'm not
How do we
eating
write?
that. Tessa, you have the worst handwriting out of all of us.
And you did it right from the start.
Do you have an apple butter? No. Oh. Chef board.
What are these Valentine sprinkles?
I don't know. My mom got them.
Why are they so tiny though? That's weird.
I don't know. This is kind of
Wait, why can't we show the camera?
me cutting her apple.
Yeah.
I don't think they care.
That looks great.
Wow.
Cut.
Let me take a picture with my cake now.
I gotta get my mom.
No.
You can't even read it.
No, you can't read it anymore.
So here's how the cake turned out. We low-key cooked, I fear. So this was actually so fun to make. Our teacher did appreciate it so much. Did I have a video of her reaction? Yes, I did. Did I low-key accidentally delete said video? Yes, I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this super unhinged video. If you did, please give it a like and also subscribe because I really need subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 before the end of the year. So please help me with that, and thank you all so much for watching.